Hello, today I am going to discuss about a generative AI platform which called SciSpace.com. Especially it's called SciSpace. Uh, this is especially for the researcher who doing research or PhD, any kind of research paper, reading and analyzing. This platform basically help uh, researcher. Okay, so let's see how it works. For example, if we search any research paper related our topics, like I am searching now LLM security. Just searching LLM security related papers. See, it will scrape and analyze uh, papers related these topics. See, it is searching. It is searching. It will take some time. We have to wait. So this platform have additional feature like you can uh, uh, chat with PDF directly. You can specific section of the paper you can extract, and you can ask the AI platform. Also, there are literature review option and find topics, paraphraser. Many option have also AI detector. So this is a very useful platform for researcher. Still searching related papers. Okay, see here I'll get 100 papers. Let's click here. It's loading. See, it is now easy to analysis and filtering and getting abstract literature review. Everything now easy. We can just easily find the paper, the title and more details. Here we can expand and add columns like abstract, literature we've already added. We can add insight, summarize abstract results, method used, literature survey. So one by one we can add column, which column also will be added here, and we can study and analyze related papers easily using this platform. Okay, so these are basic feature of the platform. For more, just click more and see problem statement, population sample data set. So one by one you can add here list, then finally you can analyze your related topics and literature review, abstract, everything. You can get the summarized result here, and which you feels interest, you can just go details and read the details description of the paper, and also you can download or direct you can chat here with the bot. By this chatbot you can read the paper, each and every section, and more details. If you don't understand any section, you can just ask here